How to change language in Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open System Settings on your MacBook and then tap on the General option from the left side. Here you will see the option for language and region. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the preferred language option and then tap on the plus icon you see there and scroll through and search for the language that you want to add. Once done, tap on the add option you see there and you will then be required to choose if you want to use the language that you just selected or simply use English. Go ahead and choose your preferred option and you will then be required to restart your Mac in order to bring the changes that you just made. And with this, your language on the Mac will be changed as you can see here. So this is how you can change language in Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.